The Freelander cPX4000 Portable Cordless Pressure Washer is a highly portable and convenient cleaning solution designed for users who need flexibility without relying on a water hose or power outlet. With its built-in water tank, battery-powered operation, and compact design, it's perfect for car washing, outdoor rinsing, camping, and even pet cleaning. Built-in 5-gallon water tank for full mobility. The integrated 5-gallon approximate 4.5 to 5 gal water tank means you don't need a direct water connection. You can carry water with you and clean anywhere, which is especially useful for parking areas, camping trips, or balconies. Portable four-wheel design for easy movement equipped with 4 wheels, including swivel front wheels and a handle, the unit can be easily rolled instead of carried. Its low center of gravity prevents tipping and ensures stability during operation. 3 adjustable pressure modes. It features 3 pressure levels, approx. 625 to 725 psi, allowing you to adjust based on the task. Lower pressure is ideal for delicate cleaning like pets or plants, while higher pressure works for tougher dirt. Multifunction nozzle system. It includes a 6-in-1 adjustable nozzle and pivot nozzle, offering multiple spray patterns and angles. This allows users to switch easily between gentle rinsing and more focused cleaning, even in hard-to-reach areas. Simple setup and one-touch operation. The washer is designed for quick setup. Just connect the hose, insert the battery, and start cleaning with a single button. The trigger-based system automatically stops water flow when released, saving battery and water. The Freelander cPX4000 is an excellent choice for users who prioritize portability and convenience over extreme power. It's perfect for light cleaning tasks, travel, and areas without water or electricity. However, if you need heavy-duty cleaning, like deep driveway stains, a higher PSI corded pressure washer would be a better option.